In a Bavarian hospital struggling under the weight of coronavirus patients, intensive care workers turn on red lights at night, a message they want Germans to take heed of. The government in Berlin is delivering messages too, upping the pressure on Germans who have yet to take up the vaccine against the virus. A number of German states already bar the unvaccinated from public venues, including shops, cinemas, and restaurants, even public transport in some cases. German Chancellor Angela Merkel, in one of her last acts in the role, says those restrictions will now apply right across the country. Access to leisure, sports, and cultural activities, she says, will be limited to those who are vaccinated or have recovered. The German parliament will debate mandating vaccines, potentially following in the footsteps of Austria, which has pledged to start in February. And Greece will enforce them with fines for citizens over 60. The issue divides Germans. We need it, otherwise we won't get anywhere, says this woman. I think everyone should decide for himself, says another woman. Germany has one of the lower vaccine uptakes in Western Europe, and it's in the midst of a serious COVID upsurge. Deaths are now averaging about 300 a day. Putting pressure on hospitals. In Brussels, the European Commission has also raised the issue of mandatory vaccinations.
This needs a common approach, but it is a discussion that I think has to be led.
It's not just numbers driving the decisions, of course, it's also fear over the potential impact of the Omicron variant. Margaret Evans, CBC News, London.